Natanggal ko yung tire pressure ko. So, kailangan kong ibalik or i-relearn. Yan, tingnan mo. F-fail. So, learning ulit. Try natin ipa-learn. Sana mag-learn. Fail yung front. Now sa rear, try natin ulit. So, ayan. Fail at didn't learn. So, gagawin natin is magre-reduce tayo ng tire pressure for both tires. So, gagamitin natin itong Baseus para mag-reduce ng air. Yan. Yan. Reduce pa natin yung air. Yan. 20. Sobrahan ko. Test natin ulit. So, pa-learn natin ulit. Learning. Ayun, gumana. Deflate, inflate. Ayan. Pagka-deflate, inflate naman. Yan ang ating portable hangin from Baseus. Thank you, Lazada. Make sure nakalagay itong cap. Kung hindi, mag-fail kayo ulit. So, relearning ulit after deflating at inflating.